Good morning, everybody. How you doing? It's your friendly neighborhood slime today, and today we're trading NQ. Uh, Earlier today I just dropped a 30 video, and that was pretty good. Now I have this Nasdaq trade. I want to show y'all. Feel me? Where is it? 1021. Where is it? Okay, so NQ broke structure. After it broke structure, because I wanted to buy to the upside, it came back down and pulled back. Pulled back all the way to this imbalance. I think it came back lower. This right here is what I wanted to show y'all for my NQ trade. All right, so we're watching NQ, right? Here's what happened. Came to a high, bounced off the highs, touched the imbalance.
So the
I
money
took the
you
trade
make, you typically want to
on
invest
my
with that.
sim account,
No, I
break of
mean, like,
those
pretty
highs.
much for me,
Well,
once I've been in put
let's check this out. Price came in, dipped in to a low and an imbalance, pushed out. Made an M, failed to break, push up. Kind of broke above, then came back down, made a W. Right now, I was debating should I take it on my real account or on my sim account. And I took it on my sim account because I was finicky. Well,
in, then I took the calculator. So I
that's that
I
trade.
don't even bother. Basically,
That trade then proceeded to go up and give me 600 ticks. To let you know. We bought up, we bought up, retest, 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 retest. Retest, retest, boom. This is where I got in. So, got in this trade. I'm going to show y'all the two spots or the two things I did that kind of messed me up or that was wrong. So, number one, I got into this trade. I really wanted to get in from down here, but I got into this trade. Great trade. W formed at the highs, break of structure, all that good shit. Okay.
Yeah.
It's playing out, it's playing out, it's
Current
playing out.
three,
I think
four,
it went
five.
up and
Okay.
gave me 100 ticks. Facts.
Oh, the dollar is positive.
So now look, came down, retest. Y'all see where my stop loss is at? Underneath the lows, right? Look
With the
what
fixes
my
negative.
ass go do. Again, nigga, he can't do nothing for you right now. Tell him go back.
Oh,
Go. He probably got to be a lot in it right. Moving, but and I will look and see. I didn't do. I don't.
yeah. Okay.
This right here. So I placed
Oh, a high indicator.
about that stop loss was, and what I was just telling swear. So we shoot up. I think max 120, 130 ticks. Cool. Breaker structure buy. I didn't get in from the bottom.
From nobody. Big E.
Now y'all see where my stops is. I moved them down a bit. Look. So I would have gotten clapped regardless, but I moved them down to be safe. Feel me? I said, okay, it comes back up close. I'm gonna take it out. Close the trade. Minus 500 bucks. But look, we reject off of here because we ain't never broke the low. And I hopped in again, same trade. This one, I held it. And don't know my life can get so crazy, but as long as you right here, nothing can stop us. Wants his money, he wants his money. And it started to push up. It fought. It really did fight. Like,
Never back back. I'm probably gonna lock.
and it did shoot up. Granted, I wasn't supposed to take a loss. Should have just held that trade. But it did break a lot of my shit. So to be honest, I can't really be wrong. I was supposed to draw up this whole box right here. I didn't do that. So it was a few things that I did to kind of keep my nerves in check. The real thing is, I didn't get this buy from here. And I think I switch over to my... Yeah, but I caught the buy 300 something odd ticks. I'm happy, I'm ecstatic, but I still fumbled a big amount of bag today. So with that being said, we gotta fix that. Thank you guys for watching, y'all. Like, share, subscribe.